My Blackview fell down and doesn't want to start. Let's open it to see what's happening. I tried to put the charger on, also push the power button for more seconds, but it won't start. A few months ago, my phone fell down again and I had the same black screen, the same shutdown. Now, there are two audios here in this video because I have to do some explanation for for opening the phone. You only need T5 and T6 too. Just Google it, you see what I mean. So it's not very hard to open this phone and it's not very hard to close it again. So don't be worried, open it if you have any problem like mine or something. This is, you have to remove these three bolts and these three, and after that this one, this one, this one and this one, and you take it apart. You're not turning on, so I have a problem with my battery connector. Let me see if is it the same problem again, or is something else. No. Oh, yes, it's turning on. So after it fell down, maybe from 1 meter, it fell down from my hands, and this is not the first time. Usually after fall down, it restart, reboot like this, and it's working normally. But this time it fell from a high, and the connector from the battery, you see, oh, it's turning off. This connector right here, this is making all the problems. If your phone go down and doesn't want to start, this connector is clipping off from your motherboard. So let me show you. Let me focus a little bit here. Sorry for the shaking. So this is the problem right over here. The battery connector is not okay. It's not connecting good. Maybe this one is broken. You see the down part over here? It's gone, it's not here. So after I connect it, last time was the same problem. After connecting it fell off. So I put this little thing, so when the back cover press this, I don't know how to call it, when it press it, after you start the phone, it must start on, no, I don't press it very good. Nope. It has problem here. Maybe it's not a good. Doesn't make a good connection to the board. Right over there. See, it tried to start, but this connection here is not good at all. I must press it very hard and it's still not working. So I have managed to fix the problem by putting more of the rubber pad, and when I close the back cover, it holds the battery connector to the main board and it's still working. So this is how it look. The battery connector on the main board is looking when it's okay. They call it FCP connector. So I have ordered 2 pieces of this and I'm waiting to come from China, and we'll try to solder it to the main board. This is how mine is looking. Some parts are missing. I found them after I looked closely to the phone. If you have a black screen, this is the main problem, the connector of the battery. Nothing here. You have to disassemble the phone and see what's happening to the connection.